frustrated by drafts, condensation, or damaged windows? Meet Sarah, a homeowner who turned to Window Fix Direct Kent for a trusted solution. With over 40 years of expertise, our skilled team revives your windows and doors, repairing hinges, locks, handles, and seals at a fraction of replacement costs. We also fix misted units, child safety hinges, and shattered glass, ensuring your home stays secure and energy efficient. When replacement is needed, we offer top-quality, A-rated PVC windows and composite doors. Fully CERTA certified and backed by a solid 10-year guarantee, Window Fix Direct Kent provides peace of mind. Contact us today to transform your glazing.